Hi, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks very much for joining us. The weather across Tuesday is looking typically autumnal. By that I mean it's windy and the temperatures are changing. Our weather videos, by the way, they continue on as normal despite what is going on around the country. We expect most of our services to continue on as normal. So I think that's a bit of a relief when everything else seems to be changing. So hopefully we can just bring you a little bit of distraction each day. So let's get into the weather. We've got this windy change arriving. It is a sou'wester. It's blowing across both islands, and both islands are going to be below average temperature wise. This is the departure from normal for today, Tuesday, and it basically shows everywhere that is either normal or below normal. Now the normal areas don't have colouring, it's just the normal map, so you can see much of the west coast, but the southern end of it, and a little bit up here around coastal Bay of Plenty and East Cape, and the far north, but pretty much everybody else below average for today, just by a couple of degrees in some coastal areas. Inland and around further parts of Southland and Otago, temperatures are down quite a bit, 4 to 8 degrees below normal. So both islands are affected by this cool down, like the whole central part of the North Island as well. But as we head in towards Wednesday, what a difference. So the departure from normal tomorrow shows the opposite. It shows areas above normal. So we'll be looking at those areas 2 to 3, maybe 4 degrees above normal, and those same places today are the same amount the other direction. So it's a short-lived thing, which is kind of typical for autumn. This is how we look as we go through Wednesday. We've got a few showers moving up the western side of the country, but the winds turn westerly around the South Island. So that actually is the reason why your temperatures jump back up again. Short-lived. Once we get to Thursday, there's another burst of rain, and this comes with another cold event. So you'll be seeing temperatures drop, more low-level snow flurries, a couple of 100 meters, but then it clears up very quickly. It's not going to linger very long. It's windy elsewhere, but as that system moves northwards, those winds go with it. And so when we get to Friday, there is a southerly flow right across the country, a few showers at the top of New Zealand clearing to the north, a couple of showers at the very south of New Zealand fading away, and that's all because of this big high which is rolling in for the weekend, and that's exactly what it does on Saturday. There are a couple of showers just lingering on the eastern side there, a couple of southerlies blowing in, a southerly blowing in a couple of showers into the Wellington region, and maybe 1 or 2 lingering around coastal parts of the lower South Island. And our final map for Sunday shows the high still firmly in charge, but it's starting to drift out to the east, and that creates an easterly flow around the North Island, and that means showers coming in for our drought regions, and they had some downpours overnight last night. So I hope all these different shower events are now making a little bit of an impact into the drought. No big rainmaker, and there isn't one coming for the rest of this month. We only have these showers coming through. The high's in control until April, and then it won't be till about the end of the first week of April. That's when we hope we'll start to see another chance for rain in those drought regions. That is all from me today. As I say, our services remain as per usual, so we'll see you again tomorrow with our latest video.